how to power your E4K Plus action camera while it is recording a video. So let's just power on the camera, okay, and press the top button and start a video recording. It is red, so it is recording. As we can see, the battery is being drained. Now the sign itself is white and the percent is 97. Okay, and if we open up this small compartment, we can plug in the camera's own USB Type-C cable here. Okay, and at the other end we can use an OTG cable, OTG or on the go, which is female USB to micro USB. Okay, so the USB can be inserted here, and this phone will be our power supply, and that micro USB can go there. But meanwhile, let's take a look at this LED. So after I plug it in, that LED will turn on. So the camera is being powered from this phone. The phone is acting as a power brick, an external battery. Okay, and all this while recording video. So we are recording and we are charging also. When the battery of the camera is being charged, then the sign itself turns green. If I remove, let's say, this end, then power is interrupted and the sign turns white. Plug it back again and it is charging and it is recording also. Okay, let's just stop it, and that's it. How to charge your camera while recording video using a smartphone. Thanks for watching and bye bye.